The next step is to get the data loaded from a JSON file rather than hard coding the data inside the JavaScript. So I've got a JSON file ready to go. There's about 6,000 rows here. I'll go back to the JavaScript. And here I've got a function which does the loading for me. Now if you're doing this yourself, you'll probably use the framework that you're using to do the JSON calls, whether that be jQuery or AngularJS or something else. So we can just assume that this works similar to the function you would call, whereby you just provided a callback to get called with the data once it's loaded in an async fashion. So I'll call that. And test. Cool, the data came out. Now we'll no longer need the row data in the grid options, so I'll take that out. And also when this executes after the grid is initialized, the grid will put the API onto the grid options that I provided. So that means down here I can do this and then call anything on the grid API that I want. Let's test. Okay, we have got those 6,000 rows loaded, but no data is coming up for role and name because those fields don't exist on the data that I just loaded. So we need to go and change the headers. Just to verify that country and city is part of the data. Okay, we've also got numeric data. This data shows actual and budget data broken down by month. So we've got January actual, January budget, February actual, February budget, and all the way up until December. So we'll just put some of them in. Okay, I'll also make the grid bigger so it fills the screen. Because I'm using 100% height, I need to make sure that the parent div has height as well. And I've got double scroll bars here. That's because the body tag comes with a default margin. Okay, and that's loading data into the grid.